In today's world, internet connectivity is more than just getting online. It's the foundation of modern living, business, security, and innovation. When it comes to building reliable internet infrastructure and intelligent surveillance systems, one name stands above the rest: Raslordeck Limited. Trusted by more than 200 satisfied clients, we have built a reputation for delivering professional, innovative, and dependable connectivity solutions across Nigeria. Our latest achievement speaks for itself. At Evergreen Estate, GRA Phase 8, Port Harcourt, we designed and deployed a modern estate-wide internet infrastructure, providing seamless, high-speed Wi-Fi coverage throughout the community. Beyond connectivity, we integrated a comprehensive CCTV surveillance system, giving residents enhanced visibility, safety, and peace of mind. Because at Raslordeck Limited, we don't simply install equipment, we design solutions that meet today's needs and prepare our clients for tomorrow. From Starlink installations and structured network cabling to enterprise Wi-Fi architecture, fiber infrastructure, point-to-point wireless links, and intelligent surveillance systems, our team delivers reliable technology for residential estates, hotels, businesses, institutions, industrial facilities, and offshore environments. Our work is trusted by leading properties, including Bond 2 Apartments, Phoenix Luxury Terrace Apartments, Lucy and Jacobs Apartments, Ivy Homes, Marbicel Hotels, Zero Degree Hotels, Toscana Hotels, The Edge Hotel, Lesam Suites, and many more. Every successful project reflects our commitment to engineering excellence, quality workmanship, and long-term client satisfaction. Whether you're developing a new estate, upgrading your business network, securing your facility, or expanding your digital infrastructure, Raslordeck Limited has the expertise and experience to deliver solutions you can depend on. Reliable, professional, future-ready. Raslordeck Limited, connecting people, securing properties, and building the digital infrastructure that powers tomorrow.